This is a very special chair developed for the betterment of the patient comfort, because one of the major problems for the patient when he wants to gargle the mouth, he has to bend his neck, which causes pain in the neck. So we have designed a special chair where the spittoon will move by itself on the patient. When you operate, the spittoon will come, this chair will come upright and he can gargle. It is right in front of him. He doesn't have to bend his neck. So once the gargling is over, you put it back, it goes back to clinical position. Both the spittoon and the chair goes to clinical position, which has a lot of clinical advantage from the patient point of view, especially older patients and obese patients, fat patients have a great challenge in gargling the mouth. To avoid that, we have designed this special chair which has a lot of clinical advantage. You can see the spittoon comes in front of the patient so he can split it very easily. This is a light with an integrated CCD camera. It is called third eye camera. When you have this doing a surgery, you can live relay this as well as record it. This is more of an educational interest, and if some upper class doctor want to record his face doing implant or surgery, you can record this. Live recording can be done or live relay can be done.